So the Insta360 GO 2 is probably the easiest camera for me to recommend to anybody. If anybody comes to me and asks what camera should I get, I'm just starting out, I just want to shoot casual stuff, I want to have fun with my camera, then the Insta360 GO 2 is probably the one I'd recommend to them. It's been out about a year now and I'm fully expecting Insta360 to release a GO 3, an update to this camera. I've heard no rumours as of yet. I will keep you informed, so if you're new to the channel, please do make sure you subscribe down below, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and keep up to track with all the news on the cameras coming very soon. I've got a sneaky suspicion we're going to see a camera from Insta360 that's going to be sort of an update to this GO 2. Whether it's called the GO 3 or they'll replace it with another camera, I'm not sure. But this is still a really great camera. It's got some amazing features. I've done some other videos, I'll link them up above. It's got a great 1440p resolution, which is more than enough for most social media platforms. It's got flow state stabilization, horizon lock. It's got some really great mounting options. For instance, this one with the magnetic pendant on here for shooting inconspicuous POV stuff. Charges via the case, pretty good battery life, slightly restricted record time, but you'd expect that from such a small device. And the most surprising feature from when I reviewed this camera, the audio that this captures is pretty incredible. GO 3 though, what would I like to see? What would you like to see? Let me know in the comments down below. What would you like to see? But I'm hoping that, one, they go 360 with this camera. I know, bear with me, this is an Insta360 camera, and that's what Insta360 do best. Their editing software, their app is absolutely class leading. No one comes close to it, so I'd love to see them maybe add another lens to this. So it's sort of, there's two lenses on this side by side. Another reason that I really like this camera, and I recommend it over other Insta360 cameras, is that this has replaceable lenses. And it's the only Insta360 camera that actually does have replaceable lenses. So if you do scratch this up, you drop it, doing action sports, you fall off your bike, then you can replace the lenses on this. You can buy spare lenses separately and replace them on this camera. So that's another thing that I love about this camera and why I recommend it 100%. But I'd like to see it as a 360 camera. Can they build this camera with maybe a screen on the front so we can change the settings and we can see it if we're not using this with the case, a slightly better battery for longer record times? Can they sort of do it so it goes in sideways and you've got 360 lenses so you can record normal footage and you can record 360 footage? I'm hoping so. Yes, it can record 1440p, and like I said at the start of the video, it is mostly okay for social media platforms, but I'd really like to see 4K footage. I think they could jump to 4K now, get a really nice picture out of this and be able to export in 4K. With that flow state stabilization, Insta360 really do make some amazing action cameras. You can get some brilliant footage from it. It does rival the GoPro, but I'd like to see them add 4K in here. That would be a great feature. I'd love to see them keep it the same size. It's a really nice form factor. I'd like the magnets just a little bit stronger. Although this pendant is great when it's attached through clothing, it's probably not the most ideal for action sports. If you're really doing something rugged and strenuous, then this has not the most strong magnet to keep it on there. It may fall off, so I'd like to see some really improved strong magnets on there. Mentioned battery life, maybe fast charging to get some really great footage really quickly. That would be a great option. The case, I do like. The legs are, if there was one downfall, the tripod legs are just a little bit flimsy. Maybe an improved design on these. It's great having them on there, but like I said, they are just a little bit plasticky, so I'd like to see those improved. Apart from that, the case is really good and sort of the same size, maybe just a little bigger as AirPods Pro. If you're using this without a dive case, it is 4 meters waterproof, 16 feet. I'd like to see them double that, a bit improved, and I'd like to see them add some features like GoPro added this year, like night presets, different things, different creative options that you can do in camera. The app is brilliant, the software is fantastic, and you can do lots and lots of different things with these cameras, but you can't do as many with the GO 2 as you can with other Insta360 cameras. So I'd like to see them maybe put some more stuff in here, more creative options, more shooting modes, better slow-mo maybe if you want to use this for slow motion. But apart from that, the Go 2 is a brilliant camera. I fully expect them to update it with the Go 3 pretty soon. I'm hoping for 360 because sometimes it confuses people that this is an Insta360 camera, but it's not a 360 camera. I'd like to see them have all of their cameras have 360 capability because that's where they excel. Okay, if you do want to grab one of these, there is a link in the description. It's still an amazing camera, and like I said, one of the ones that I'd recommend to anybody if they ask me, if you're just starting out, you just want to shoot some casual stuff with the family, holiday stuff, this is a brilliant option. So yeah, buy through the link. There is a free gift, I think. I will double check and leave a pinned comment in the comments as well. Along with that, they do some brilliant mounts. I use the mounts for bike videos. Helmet cam is the one I use because it's so light. It's a brilliant helmet camera. This sticky one just goes anywhere for some creative shots, and you can get some brilliant accessories. They do a dive case to make it up to 45 meters waterproof as well. So if you want to go and check out the website, grab some accessories, there will be a link in the description as well. Apart from that, that's it. I hope to see Insta360 update this camera soon. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see from Insta360. And if there's any other features I've missed out from this video, let me know and I'll include them in a future video. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.